Hello everyone. I hope you guys are enjoying your life. Guys, welcome back to my Excel channel. And today I'm presenting you something amazing and would like to introduce group by formula. You understand this group by is very important when you have huge data where you want to see some combination wise total count or revenue. So generally what strikes our head is pivot table. But if you understand this group by function, this entire thing can be super easy. Let's crack this something. We want to find out total count, project type and status wise total count. So how do we do that? So we have the function called group by. So group by is the formula which you can understand, project type or status wise. You can select these two guys together. F4, comma. Now values. Values means, see, this is interesting because you want to find out project, type wise or status wise, total count you have to find out. So what is value, guys? Group by. What is values? Values, you can select this. Okay, you can select this value to, and you can mention here count. Now you understand what is happening here, right? So yeah, it should be D2. Now see what is happening here. You're getting this result, right? Because you want to find out combination wise total things. Like if you skip that, what if you skip this? Now you're not getting that, right? You understand? So because if you understand the argument of group by, you see that these fields are mandatory, like row fields, values, function, and you can mention count. If you want to find out sum, you simply mention sum and then you will get the total sum. But I want count. Count we got already. Make sure the range should be same, like B2 through C32, D2 through D32. So it's working. This is amazing. Just see that this is one formula. So I'm just copying this formula somewhere over there. Or maybe I'm just parking this somewhere else. Okay, let me park here. Okay, now I want to generate the same output but with multiple formula. So are you ready? Understand this is my data. Okay, and how we do that? First, you can find unique count. Okay, unique values. Unique of this value F4 ampersand this value. And this is the unique value I'm getting. Here you can use your vertical bar just to segregate two different data set. I'm getting this. Here you can use, guys, the formula called text before. So this comma and this is the text before formula. If you use text after, you will get the text after data. Now I'm showing you something interesting. You have to use let function where you are telling a equal to this guy and comma b equal to this guy. But in B, you have to mention text after. Okay, text after. Now you have to generate the output. Here you can use data. Data is my variable h stack. In h stack a comma b, and see guys, I will get my data in this manner. Okay, this is what I'm getting. Let me try once again. Data. So what is A and what is B? Text after. Spelling is correct. Everything is okay. Data. Now understand you have to return data. Output is coming, guys. You saw that, right? Output is coming. This is the output we are getting. Now what is happening here? This is the output. Now what if you have to use map function? You have to loop through this data. This is one data set, this is another data set. And comma lambda where x comma y and comma count ifs. In count ifs, you have to use, guys, this value f4 comma x comma you have this guy f4 comma y. Now see that what happens. You can see this, right? So if I copy this formula, Control C, and I go there. Okay, so instead of data, I'm pasting my formula. Now see what is this. This is nothing but A, and this is nothing but B. And see that X and Y. Now see what output I'm getting. I'm getting this output. Erase this output. And what you can do, guys, you can just simply Control X. Here you can use H stack function, data comma this, and at the end you close the bracket and see that, guys, we are getting this output. Can you see this is the formula we are using, right? So guys, this is the formula we have to use. And if you understand, this output is also same. So digital in progress, design in progress, you have design in progress 7. You have 2 4 research in progress and design completed. Design completed, research in progress. So the total is 30. Can you see this? Total is 30. So guys, that's how it works. And I hope you liked the session today. Thank you so much.